Hi everyone, my name is Isadora and I decided to create an anatomical model for this unit, the respiratory system, specifically one for the lungs. I'm going to turn my camera around, so bear with me for a quick minute. There we go. I decided to make my model out of plastic polymer clay, figuring it's easy to manipulate, but it is a bit heavy, so I decided to put it on this white piece of foam foam board, so that I can easily point things out and not worry about the structural integrity, if you will. Starting from the top, the air goes in through the trachea and into the bronchi, specifically the primary bronchi or the mainstem bronchi, same difference. So the bronchi is made of these C-shaped rings. Looking up closely, I rolled each piece of clay and then stuck it together for both the trachea and the bronchi, so you can clearly see the divisions. The bronchi enter the lungs right here, and that place where they enter the lungs is called the hilum. The left bronchi is at a slightly less angle, and then the right bronchi is at a slightly sharper angle. Then we have the lungs. We have the left lung and then the right lung, obviously. The lungs are divided into lobes, which is why they are weirdly colored, so you can easily see the lobes and the fissures. So on the left lung, we have the superior lobe and the inferior lobe. And the right lung also has both of those lobes, the superior lobe and the inferior lobe. And then it also has a medial lobe right there. Now, each lobe is separated by fissures. So on the left side, we have this fissure right here. It's called the oblique fissure because of the angle. And the right side has that same fissure, but right over here, the oblique fissure. But since there are three lobes, there also is the horizontal fissure right here. Now, the left lung has two more little fissures here. There is this horn right here, and that's called the lingula. And then this arch right here, the arch itself, is called the cardiac notch. Okay, two more things. So, right here is the apex of each lung, meaning the top. And then right here, this is where the diaphragm would sit, right like that. The diaphragm, sorry. And so because the diaphragm would fit in right here, this area of the lungs right here is called the diaphragmatic surface. That is my anatomical model. Please let me know if I need to fix anything, and thank you for listening.